हेलो स्टूडेंट, अगेन आपका स्वागत है आपके इस प्यारे से यूट्यूब चैनल गजेश प्राइजेस में। सो माई सेल्फ गजेश सिंह। सो टुडे वी हैव अ न्यू टॉपिक इन कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। वी हैव अ टॉपिक्स, these are the topic condition of collinear points on the basis of distance. We have to find the collinearity on the basis of distance. And another way we will establish how to given points will be collinear. So there are two ways. ये दो तरीके हैं जिससे हम कोलिनियरिटी प्रूव करेंगे गिवन पॉइंट्स की कोलिनियरिटी प्रूव करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट वन इज कंडीशन ऑफ कोलिनियर पॉइंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्टेंस के बेसिस पे हम उसके कोलिनियरिटी प्रूव करेंगे गिवन जो पॉइंट्स हैं उसके। सेकंड वन, देयर आर 3 पॉइंट्स, वी हैव 3 पॉइंट्स एंड we find out these given points are collinear. So result is area of triangle ABC equal to 0. So without waste your time, so let's get started. So let's take an example. Condition of collinear points. First is condition of collinear points on the basis of distance. So let's take a points. We have a points A, x1, y. We have a second point is B, x2, y2, and third point is C, x3 and y3. So we have a 3 points. We do not know these given points are collinear or not. So how will find these given points are will be collinear? So if these points are collinear, so what we conclude? We have to write distance between AB cases. Result can be distance of point A to B, distance of A, x1, y1 and B, x2, y2. तो सिंपली हम ऐसे इसको लिख लेते हैं डिस्टेंस बिटवीन A to B and distance between B to C. तो करेंगे if these points are collinear, so we can conclude AB plus BC equal AC. If this expression valid here, so we can conclude easily these given points will be collinear. और क्या कह सकते हैं BC ये भी हो सकता है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने कर लिया। इसके बाद ये भी हो सकता है B यहाँ पे हो A और C. So what we do, AB plus AC equal BC. This also possible. This thing also possible. और क्या हो सकता है? इसके कोऑर्डिनेट आप सपोज कर लीजिए x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. और क्या हो सकता है सी आगे आ जाए, और यहाँ पे हमारा ये मान लो यहाँ पे हमारा सी हो जाए, और यहाँ सी नहीं, ए बी सी, यहाँ पे सी, इधर आप इधर बी डाल दो, so if we have a points, make these points with the line segment. So if these points are collinear, so result is AC plus AB equal क्या हो सकता है BC. So this is also possible, this is also possible, this is also possible. So hence we can write here, hence we can call easily, we can call easily the sum of any two, the sum of any two distance between points, the sum of any two distance between two points, suppose A B B C, B A A C and C A A B equal to third side, third side means if we can take two sides AB and BC, so third side is AC, AB plus AC, AB plus BC equal AC. So we can call easily these given points will be collinear if case first, and this is the case first, this is case second, and this is case third. So these cases possible in this particular condition. So third side, the sum of any two distance between points equal to the third side. So we can call, so given points will be collinear. That's it. So this is the statement to condition of collinear points. Sum of any two distance between points equal to third side. AB plus BC equal AC, BA plus AC equal BC and CA plus AB equal to BC. तो इस तरह से condition of collinear points on the basis of the distances ये हम कर सकते हैं. तो एक let's take an example to understand more this concept. So let's take the example. We have a question. Show that points A minus 3, 3 and second point is B 7, minus 2 and third point and ensure say 1, 1 are collinear. So we have to prove collinearity of the points. So we can prove this by condition of collinear points on the basis of distance to solve. So we have 3 points. So first of all, we find the distance between point A, that is -3, 3 to point B, that is 7, -2. So distance we can represent by AB. So AB is x1 minus x2. If we suppose this is the x1 and this is x2, so x1 minus x1 minus x2. So -3 minus 7 square and plus y1 minus y2 3 plus 2 per square. So 7 minus 3 minus 7, that is sum. We have to add minus 10 square plus 5 square. So 125, that is 125, and further we can simplify AB 5 root 5. We have a distance between point A to point B, that is 5 root 5. If we interested the distance between B to C, distance between point B is minus 7, minus 2, and C 1, 1. So we can represent BC. So x1 minus x2 plus y1 minus y2, we can we know that 7 minus 1 square and plus minus 2 minus 1 square. So simply we can calculate easily. 7 minus 1, 6 square plus minus 3 square, 36, and 9, 45, and keep on. We can further simplify BC 3 root 5. So distance between point B to point C, that is 3 root 5. And last one we can calculate AC. So AC equal x1 minus x2, minus 3 minus 1, and plus 3 minus 1. So minus 4 square and plus 2 square, 16 plus 4, that is 20, and we can write 2 root 5 AC. So AB is this, and BC is this, and AC is this. So we observe, we got here 5 root 5 and 3 root 5. So AB we can see AB equal BC plus AC. So BC is 3 root 5 and plus AC is 2 root 5, and AB we know 5 root 5. 5 root 5 equal sum of 5 root 5. So hence we conclude that given points will be polynomial because sum of any two sides, sum of any 2 points, sum of between 2 points is equal to the third side. So तो इस तरह से आप इस तरह घोषणाओं से डील कर सकते हो और इसी को हम एक जो ये वाला मेथड है, if we have 3 points, so we can find out area of making these points, that is triangle. So area of triangle is 0 is equal to 0, so we can call these points are polynomial. So let's check it. So we have already point. So area of triangle, suppose ABC, area half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. This is the formula of to find out the area of triangle. So if area of triangle ABC equal to 0, so we can call easily these given points will be polynomial. So find out the area of the points half x1, this is x1 y1 x2 y2 and this is the x3 y3. So x1 is minus 3, y2 minus y3, y2 minus 2 and minus 1 plus x2 is 7, y3 minus y1 1 minus 3 and plus x3 is 1, y1 minus y2 3 plus 2 half minus 3 minus 3 plus 7 and 2 minus 2 and 5. So half minus 9 minus 14 and plus 5. 1 upon 2 minus 9 and minus 9. कुछ मिस्टेक है क्या? x1 y2 minus y3 y2 minus 2 minus y2 minus y2 minus 2 plus minus this one plus x2 7 and y3 minus y1 minus y1 1 minus 3 and y1 minus y2 3 plus 2 5. So minus 2 comma 3 and 7 comma minus 2 and 1 comma 1. So चेक करते हैं दोबारा x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So half x1 minus 3 y2 minus y3 minus 2 minus 1 plus x2 is 7 y3 minus y1 1 minus 3 simply फिर प्लस x3 is 1 and y1 minus y3 plus 2 हाफ माइनस 3 और ये माइनस 3 हो जाएगा प्लस 7 इंटू माइनस 2 and plus 5, half plus 9 and minus 40 and plus 5. So half 9 minus 9 cancel out. So answer is 0. So area of triangle ABC इक्वल टू 0. अब एरिया कब नहीं बनता? जब वो क्या हो, कोलिनियर हो. कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स होते हैं तभी आपका एरिया, तभी आपका ट्राइंगल ही फॉर्म नहीं हो सकता. कोलिनियर है, उस केस में ट्राइंगल फॉर्म हो ही नहीं सकता. तो जैसे हमारे ये पॉइंट थोड़ा सा ऊपर तो ट्राइंगल आपका बन जाएगा ये चीज. सो ये इस तरह से आप कोलिनियरिटी प्रूव कर सकते हो बाय द डिस्टेंस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्टेंस, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल पुट करके. सो तो ये हमारा आज का टॉपिक था जो हमने इसको फिनिश कर दिया. तो अपने अगले वीडियो लेक्चर में हम एक नया कॉन्सेप्ट लेके आएंगे. तो तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे चैनल से. और इसको अगर ये पसंद आए तो इसे लाइक कीजिए और इसको शेयर कीजिए. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच.